Welcome back to We Dared Chemistry. In Lecture 6, we're exploring the remarkable contributions of Erwin Schrödinger, who lived from 1887 to 1961. Schrödinger is an Austrian physicist renowned for his pioneering work in quantum mechanics, particularly for proposing the quantum model in the 1920s. Schrödinger's quantum model provided a comprehensive understanding of electron behavior, fundamentally changing our perception of atomic structure. Quantum mechanics, the framework underlying Schrödinger's model, successfully explains the behavior of multi-electron atoms, a challenge that earlier models couldn't adequately address. This model laid the foundation for modern atomic theory and continues to be a crucial aspect of contemporary physics and chemistry. In the 1920s, Schrödinger introduced his quantum model. According to this theory, electrons exist as a probable wave-like pattern around the nucleus, rather than in specific orbits. This model explains why electrons exhibit both particle-like and wave-like behaviors. It forms the foundation of our understanding of atomic structure and is widely used in modern physics. However, the quantum model has its limitations. It involves mathematical complexity and requires advanced mathematics to calculate electron probabilities. It doesn't provide a simple visual representation of atomic structure. That's all for today. In our next lecture, we'll explore more advanced topics in atomic theory. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Keep studying with We Dared Chemistry.